You see that?
Yeah, see, there's like 2 knights. It's the simps.
Yeah. The simps, the white knights.
Alright, we're starting as KSI.
I chose the fucking Chinese bitch. Look at me. I chose it because I'm the fastest one. Look how fast I am. We're going shopping, Brittany. Yay! What is this? This is very fucking disturbing. Look at that.
That looks like Hitler.
It was his birthday and then he fucking
We need to get moving. We need to get moving. He's putting his little shits down.
Yes.
I can already hear one.
Look how fast I am.
It's on the other side of the wall, isn't it? I found one.
Look, this one. You know that bitch on New York? The green
Oh
bitch?
yeah.
It's like her sister or some shit. And this
Immersion.
music, fuck this music! I heard music, I went in the wall and it was like,
Yeah. All I can hear is
All
I can hear is like one of those.
Oh look,
things.
he's winking at me! Fuck you! How dare you wink at me?
What the hell? That's cursed.
Shut up down there, you slaves! I said I will feed you in an hour. Shut up! That actually connects to my personal basement. Oh look, it's a white knight. It's a fucking white knight.
Did we
Look,
even
a white
start
knight.
with a killer?
Did we? Man, fuck
Behind you! Behind you! Oh! Oh my fucking god! Off spawn!
Fuck your
Off
mom!
spawn!
Anyways, before I was saying before that cunt rudely interrupted. Oh look, a video game. Rudely interrupted me. If you call me fat for drinking Coke in the comments, suck your mum. Fuck you.
This is cool.
That's mean.
We're KSI, we can do anything. Where are you?
Right here.
Okay. Oh my god! Holy shit.
Oh, you motherfucker!
It
Fuck
teleported right on me.
They gave me a fright. I'm not a bitch. Shut
Oh
up,
my
everyone that's
God.
watching this. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Brittany. What the f? My name is Brittany, and today I'm gonna show you how to be a slut. So first of all, what you want to do is you need to fuck with one guy and do it to all of your friends, cause that works. Though you can't do it with girls, I think. I don't know if you can. That'll just be weird.
Alright.
But yeah, thank you for buying my $50 ticket. The hitman that I hired, the hitman that was charging you $50, I did not hire him. But thank you.
Oh my. Run away. Run.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Supersonic. Fuck you. Fuck you. You are a white and pale dick.
I think we need to stop using our flashlight as much. Go behind.
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Run, run, run. Run. Where are you?
Right behind you.
Yeah, my character's really slow. Damn, you're running down those stairs very fast.
Yeah, we need to go down the stairs. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, there's a lot of these things. They're like mini penises.
Behind you.
What?
Oh shit. Keep running.
Haha, you ugly cunt.
Run.
What?
Run. Oh, it's on me! It's on me! Oh my god.
Where? Where are you?
Right here.
Fuck you! You fat bitch! The power of Christ compels you! Oh! Fuck your mom! Fuck your mom! Fuck your mom!
I can't, it stunned me. Okay, there.
Ha ha! You fat bitch! Look at your left boob! Ha ha!
It was on the floor.
I got it.
No, I got it. It says I found it.
Listen, I got it. I got 3 clues apparently.
That's weird.
Ah! Ah! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck your mom!
Are we birthing our last life?
I think we are.
Where's the next fucking clue? We need to stop looking at that thing.
This way, this way, this way, this way.
Where? Right in the thing. It's behind us, I believe. Did you stun it?
What happened? No! Ah! Fuck you! You're ugly! No one likes you, can't.
You've been devoured.
Oh
no! I ran right into him!
Oh no! Fuck you, ugly fag! Look at him! Look at that face! He's so ugly! No one likes you!
Alright, I promise you, we'll at least win at least fucking one game. One game on hard mode. One fucking game, is that too much to ask for?
Lord!
Another one, says DJ Khaled.
Fuck you, DJ Khaled, you fat cunt.
I mean, you ain't lying.
Did you see him do the fucking
Did
slide?
No.
His wife was like a fat version of a pig.
I mean, pigs are fat.
And even more fatter version.
Damn, is she...
Like, humongously fat.
is she at least cute or something?
No! There is nothing cute with her.
I mean, it's
The only
DJ
cute
Khaled.
thing-
Wouldn't he get like lots of shotties?
No, he looks like a fat Mexican.
I'm pretty sure he is Mexican and he is fat, so I don't know. So
No,
I guess you're right.
He's a fat taco, that's what he is.
It-
Run away.
Oh,
Run
shit.
away.
Where is it?
I don't know.
I think it's on me.
Fuck
I'm
you,
here.
vagina face.
You should hook her up with some vagina spray. So watch out. Where?
Run.
Where? You haven't even flashed it
Vagina
yet.
face. Vagina face. Vagina face. He's staying.
Look at you running.
Ah!
He's gone.
That's what he wants us to think.
He's gone for now.
You know why the vagina face is following us?
Why? He wants
Because
pee pee.
no, it senses vagina face. So you got a pussy, and the female walk down in continuous halls. They hear threatening noises.
I
and
hear
continue
him.
to
He's
walk
hungry.
forward.
He's hungry. Oh shit!
As the female and the male have learned the creature's new powers, they run for their lives in terror.
Flash it.
They learn that the monster does not like likes. Why did I say likes? I meant to say lives. Male and the female once again continues on with their fucking life.
This is our life now.
Female hears something that takes her interest. As it does her duty well, she goes for it. The female and the male must travel far to find what takes the female's interest, though they do not know that they are being followed by a predator.
It's down another. What?
I saw a fucking vagina face inside the appeal on my fucking screen.
Oh, it's a fake!
The female now learns that what she has seeked is for now a trap.
Just run straight.
Prince has an order and they run for their life.
Oh, for your thing. Could you? Oh, it's right there. Run.
The predator is sensitive to sources of light. The female and male now learns. The female learns that the male is mentally retarded and she must guide him through their life.
Oh shit.
I have mad fucking power.
Oh, teleported.
Run!
Yes, I'm
The motherfucker
running.
gave me a run!
It's gone. Sounds like you're ready to shit yourself. You're running to the public bathroom. Oh no. I can't see. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Oh my god.
Single ladies, oh the single ladies, oh the single ladies, oh the single ladies. Can you hit me? You are sluts, that's why no one wants to be with you.
Oh shit! Oh my god. You stood right in my face. Oh my god. Alright, so this way. Oh my god. He like flashed me.
Oh! Fuck! He keeps on appearing on my screen. It's not funny.
Where are you?
Yeah, down. It says this way, so it must be down here.
We're almost there. Come so far. And then we have to do the 4 puzzles, remember?
This way, yeah. This is up here.
Oh yes. Give it to us!
Yes! Get it!
Yes! We're almost here. Alright, okay. We're gonna do this. The truth has been revealed. Alright, where's the the artifact's over there, see? Look, it x-rays through the wall. Get to it. This is for life and humanity. We're gonna save everyone.
Yes!
You're running. You like it. This is it. We found the treasure of the Elderon. This part could get a little intense. I don't know. Oh, of course you put your shit there. You can't. We need to find all the things. Yeah, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna break the other one over here. We're almost there. Watch me. Alright. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna watch you. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's gonna catch one of us. Or not. He's on me still. He just led me to the last sigil. What a dumbass. Thank you, you dumb cunt. Are you ready? Yes! Let's go! Die! Get out of here! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! If you guys want another video of white noise, it is pretty fun. Drop a like and let me know in the comments. Is there anything you want to say before we go, Kiwi Kid?
Fuck you, vagina face! You can't! And yeah, drop a like or I'll shove my fist up your ass. And if someone fucking mistakes me for fucking Rican, I will fuck you and fuck you, vagina monster! Yes!
Alright guys, so if you want another white noise video, drop a like. It's been me and Kiwi Kid, and peace out.
You said it's